Crayon. I'm here trying to open up this PR box, and if you're using a butter knife that can't cut butter.
Is that the...
Just got a package. He just got a package. We just got a package. I wonder who it's from. Hi guys, Nikki Lindsay here, back with another video, and today I am bringing you a different type of video. This is my first PR unboxing. Your girl is on a PR list. She made it. We out here. This is my first PR unboxing. I am on a PR team for the Crayon case. The girl is on the PR for the Crayon case. It has been a long time coming, but long story short, I'm just gonna go ahead and open this box because we all want to see what's in the box. And this is a big box. Thank you. If you want to see what your girl got in PR, keep on watching. Finally got this thing open. When you open it, you get a cute little message. Dear Crayon Cuties, welcome to the team. We out here. Stuff fell out. First thing I got, some lashes. They're really cute. Look like little calculators. They look like these. Some dramatics. We have the colored eyeliner pencils. So they're basically pencil eyeliners and they're colored. Oh, we have another lash. Like nice simple lashes. And styles in each one. And your girl needed some lashes, so. This is so cute. It's a little keychain. It's a little book bag keychain. It says the Crayon case on it. That's real cute. Look at these. Put some little coins in here. When I travel, I can, travel with this instead of my big old wallet. Boom, boom. Thing. We have this Tokyo dipping sauces. Cute. They're lip glosses. They can be worn alone as a topper, over lip liner, whatever. There's 4 colors in here. Next, the matte book. Your girl already owned this, but it's okay. We'll take another one. She gonna get used. If you've watched my previous videos, I'll link it right in the cards up above, so you can just click it and just go and check it out. I used this palette in that look. Boom. All matte, vibrant as hell. We got another little keychain bag, but she's pink. She's cute.
So excited! So excited!
I got the box on the floor because I want to make room on my table, but I'm tired of bending down, so I keep going back and forth, trying to pick it up and everything. But next we have some brushes. We have this eye set, the ink pens. So you have like a concealer brush in here, eyeshadow brush, blending brush. You have a fluffy blending brush, angle brush, flat concealer brush, and a crease blending brush. We have this one, which is, I want to say, for highlighting and bronzer. Eyebrow brush. Powder brush. Another brush. Angled. I'm gonna use this for angled concealer. Boom. The infamous loose leaf makeup wipes. I heard you only need 1 sheet to take off your whole makeup. And your girl was running low on makeup wipes, so shoot no. What's this? She wrapped up fancy schmancy. What is this? Ooh, this is cute. Oh, so you can take it. You know, I don't want to break the hole, but you know, put your finger in and you can do your makeup and you can just hold it like this. Let me give y'all close-ups. Look at that. Ooh, see? Put your finger in there. I ain't gonna show y'all the mirror part and blind y'all, but you know, the mirror. Another brush. This is another palette that I have, but I love it so much and I'm so hyped that I got another one. This is the Watch Me Blush palette. I use this palette every time. Every time I do the makeup, I use this palette. Hype. Y'all should already know what this palette look like if you watch my videos, so you know. So I'll show y'all anyway. Whoa. The Contourcision Notebook, which is basically their contour palette. Let me let y'all see what she look like. Boom. Contour palette. If you're watching this video, if if you made it to this point, leave me a comment down below and say congrats or yes with like mad S's. Next, we have the Chalk Dust setting powders, which I'm actually pretty excited to use because your girl is always looking for a new setting powder. I believe I have all of them. So this is in the shade Y, shade C. So C is more for cool tones. Y has a yellow tone to it. This one is A, R, O, S, N. We have all 7 of the Chalk Dust setting powders. What is this? Oh, we have the Crayon Case, the Tokyo eyeliner pencils, the chapstick, and they're colored. We like colored. So there are a couple color pencils, just like the first pack of eyeliner pencils that I pulled out. Your girl got a makeup bag. Feel me? Just a nice little clear makeup bag that says the Crayon Case. We have the Honor Roll highlighter. I've been beasting for this highlighter. And she's big, like she's massive, but this is so beautiful. Look at her. Look. Like what? What? Let me put some more. Let me stop playing. Look at that. Height. We have some more brushes. We have the pencil brushes. They're really cute. They actually look like pencils, but they are eyeshadow blending brushes. We have a color switch, which is basically just a brush cleaner that you can use in between doing your makeup. You just swipe the brush on in there and it cleans it up for you. We are almost done, y'all. We are almost done. All the concealers. All the concealers. All the concealers. And they're so cute. They're the highlighting concealers, so they're basically a couple color correctors. Then you have your regular highlighting concealers, contour concealers. There's more, y'all. There's more. So you guys, I just put all the concealers in the bag. There is like a ton of concealers, y'all. Y'all should see my fiance over here looking like in shock right now. All the concealers! Oh my god! So we have the Conceal Me 6 color concealer palette, which is basically like a color correcting palette. I got her loose highlighters. Let me tell y'all, these highlighters are bomb. I have this one, Anglola. Let me show you. I already own this one. This is in the shade Anglola. A little bit goes a long way. I'm wearing it right now, actually. on my face. I don't know if you can tell. Yep, boom. See that? A little bit goes a long way. Very pigmented. And you can use them as eyeshadows too. They pop. And I was not a fan of loose highlighters until I bought this one. So we have Anglola, which is kind of like a rose gold color. We have Rosy Quartz, which is like a pinky color. My bad, this is Anglola, y'all. Rose gold. We have Glow Cane, which is like a white. Glow Cane. And then we have Glowden, which is a gold highlighter. These are pop. Just got her beauty sponges, 2 pink ones and a black one. The pink one has this edge like this, which is really good for if you're like contouring, or you know, you put your powder underneath your contour to chisel out your contour. Got 2 of those and just the regular black one, the regular dome shaped one. We got the eye glue stick, which is basically an eye primer. I heard about this. I heard it's really tacky, so it's really good for like glitters and pigments. So we shall see. We shall see. And it looks like a little glue stick. It's cute. Boom. We have the White Out eyeliner pen. Shake it. Yeah, she white. She white. Oh, I got another sponge, another black one. We have the Sharp Me, which is her regular black liquid eyeliner. I have her brow pomade, so I have 5 of them. I have the shades Soft Brown, Taupe, Medium Brown, Dark Brown, and Ebony. Hype, because your girl needed a new brow pomade. Let me just show y'all what one of them looks like. Cute. Brow pomade, Ebony. I heard this is like really nice and creamy. Not too creamy, but creamy just enough. The girl got some liquid lipsticks. Liquid lipsticks. I have this shade Murder Matte, which is, let me see. I feel like I should open them for y'all. Murder Matte, which is like a nice red. Blackboard, which is a black, matte black. I'll open it so y'all can see it. Black, just black. Holly Grove, which is this pink color. Raven, kind of like a plum color. Weedat, Lucci, Jambalaya, which is like a reddish orange. Fruits, which is a pink. Presidential, which is a navy blue. Crawfish, which is kind of like a pinky red. Graveyard, Bear, Gumbo, which I already own, but I love it. It's like a nice deep dark brown. And Marie. Have some lip glosses. Let's see. I believe this is a lip gloss. This is Hell City. Oh, Pablo is a liquid lip, and I already own it, and it's a yellow, and it's a pigmented yellow. Private Party, which is a lip gloss. Clean Kisses, which everybody and their mama has. It is the nicest nude color. Everyday nude. Perfect nude. We got it. We also have Soft Twerk. And we have, what is this? Pecan Poppin', which is like a brown. Last item, y'all. This book bag, and it's gold, and it's so cute. Okay guys, so that is the end of my first PR unboxing video. this is my crayon case unboxing. I will be having a story time, part 2 story time on how your girl even made it on PR. It'll probably be like a get ready with me story time type of video, so if you want to see that, then subscribe to my channel and, you know, hit the little bell so you'll be notified on when I do post that video. But thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. All my social media sites will be listed down below in the description box as well. I'm gonna link my previous video right here in the cards where I actually used some products from the crayon case. This look I did not record. If you follow me on my social media, I'll post it, and I do have on the matte book from the crayon case on my eyes, so yeah. But again, thank you for watching, and until next video, bye.